All right, the coordinate system, and we're going to see points like this, like number 1 here, is in parentheses. We just need to remember that the first value, and this is always going to be alphabetical. So this first value here is the x value. And then the second value will be a y value. Why do they use x and y? I don't really know. Just I think all the other letters were used up. And in the graph, the x-axis is left to right, so it's horizontal, and the y-axis is vertical, so it's up and down. So in other words, this first point here is 3, negative 2, number 1. So the x value is 3 on this. So x is 3. So we just need to find 3 on this x number line, or x-axis is what that's called. Now the middle right here in the center, that's called the origin. And the value there, the reason it's called the origin is kind of where everything starts, 0, 0. So x is just a number line that's horizontal, and we need to find where x is 3. So 1, 2, 3, right there. And then in this point, the y is negative 2. So we need to find negative 2 on the y-axis, or the y number line. So starting at 0, we'd go down 1, 2, and then we just need to find where these two lines meet. And that looks like it's at the point B, right here. So what letter is at that location? B. So, I mean, I don't know. It's all just vocabulary stuff. Some people prefer to call this the Cartesian coordinate system. I don't know. It's two-dimensional, whatever. Whatever you like, okay? So this next one, we have the x value here is negative 4. So again, I've got to find negative 4 on my x-axis, which is right here. And then my y value is 4, which is up here. So it looks like these two meet at C. There's the second one there. Alright, so number 3 then. This is another way that we can look at that. Is we got an x value of negative 5, so I would go to the left 5 to negative 5. And then the y value is 5, so I would have to go up 5. And that leads me to the point 0, or O, I should say. 4 is going to happen the same way. I'm going to go to the left 7. And then that's a negative 8 for my y value, so I'll have to go down 8 to H. Kind of see how we're making... It'll be important in the next class to see that those are kind of like stair steps. Alright. In this class, it's not quite as crucial, though. 5 is 2, and then up 3. And that is D. And then we've got negative 5, 0, so I just go to the left 5 and 0, up or down, puts me at the letter F. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We just want to find the ordered pairs for these points. And E, let's find E. First of all, it's right here. We can see that the x value there is negative 3. So this has to be in parentheses. And the y value is down 2, so that's negative 2. Right there. G, on the other hand, is way up here, so we're going to go to the right 7, so that's x is 7, and then we would have went up, it appears 8, so we get 7, 8. M, right here, is to the right 1, and then we're going to go down 6. N, to the right 5 and then up 5. And then P, there's P right there. P, you just go to the right 8 and then you go up or down 0, so it's just going to be 8, 0. And then finally Q, which is this point, is just to the left 8. So that's negative 8, and then up or down 0. There we go. So S is at 5, 8, so that'd be 5, and then up 8 right here. There's S. T at negative 2, negative 4 right here. And then U at negative 3, negative 8. That's what I got. U.